Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this week tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to crochet a flower granny coaster. Pretty simple and easy. Before we get right into the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give my video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. And now let's get right into the video. For the flower granny coaster, I'm going to be using these 3 colors. These are all acrylic yarn. You can use any other yarn you prefer. So we are using acrylic yarn. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. These are the materials you will need to make this flower granny coasters. Now I'm going to start this with a magic circle or magic ring, and I'm going to do a chain of 3. My chain 3 will count as my first double crochet. As I did chain 3, I would chain 1. So the chain 1 will be my chain 1, and into the magic ring I'm going to walk 11 double crochet, chain 1, and we're just going to keep repeating 11 double crochet, chain 1. So what I mean is we are going to have 11 double crochet in total. So we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 until we have a total of 12 double crochet into the magic ring. Now I have 12 double crochet here, so I'm going to close up this ring, and after my chain 1, after your regular chain 1, I'm going to go into the third chain here on the first double crochet that I made and do a slip stitch. I'm going to pull this yarn tight, and I'm going to weave in this with my darning needle later. I'm going to chain 1, get my scissors and fasten off. And this is the first round. I make this slip knot, and yeah, where I ended my first round, I'm going to go in there and start the second round with a 3 chain. I'm going to start with 3 chains, and I'm going to do back into that same stitch. Into the same stitch, I'm going to do another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets here. We're going to chain 1. Now into the chain 1 space, we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 1. For the second round, 2 double crochet, chain 1 to the chain 1 space, and as you can see, I'm carrying my yarn from the ones that I have from the previous row along, so that I can. I do not need to weave it in. And into this, another double crochet. Another 2 double crochet. So we're just going to keep repeating this till we get to the end of the round. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Now I'm doing my last 2 double crochets. I'm going to chain 1 and come here, right here on top of right into the first double crochet and do a slip stitch. This one is pretty tight there. Chain 1. Now I'm going to cut off the yarn and start the round 3. Starting round 3 with the next color, put a slip knot on the other color that you're about to start working with, and we are going to start now the third round with a chain of 3, chain 3. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So with the first chain 3, we have 3 double crochets, and we're going to chain 1 into the next chain 1 space from the previous row. You just keep doing 3 double crochet, chain 1 into the next space, 3 double crochet, chain 1. So we're just going to keep repeating this till we get to the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the third round. I'm going to do chain 1 and slip stitch into the first, chain 3 there, fasten off. Now for round 4, it's going to be really the same what we have been doing, starting from where I slip stitch on the previous row. I'm going to do a chain of 3, 2 double crochets into that same space, and there we're going to have 3 double crochet. And we're going to do a chain 1, and into the next space we're going to do another 3 double crochet. We just keep repeating this till we get to the end of the round. 3 double crochet, chain 1. At the end of the round now, I'm going to do my chain 1 and slip stitch and fasten off. Now we're going to do our last round. And to do the last round, I'm going to be using this color for the last round. And at this same space where we slip stitch, we go into that same stitch. We're going to do something a little bit different now. To end this round, we're going to do a chain 1, and into the same space we're going to do another single crochet. So we have 2 single crochets there. Now right on top of every stitch we are going to do a single crochet. In the chain 1 space we're going to do 2 single crochet. So into my first stitch here, my first stitch, a single crochet, into the next stitch, a single crochet. We are going to walk into the stitches now, and when we get to the chain 1 space we're going to do 2 single crochet. Now after that so now I have my last 3 single crochet into the last 3 stitches. I'm going to come back here into my first single crochet here to do a slip stitch and fasten off. And this is the flower granny coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you understand. Pretty easy and simple. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.